Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys, that is list of remote hiring companies. In this video you will get almost 500 plus companies which are hiring remotely around the globe. Okay, so if you are Indian you must know or you understand that these days getting a job is little tough. Even if you are a fresher or someone who wants to switch, we are getting less opportunities, we are not getting selection email, so we are worried like what will gonna happen. So I will suggest you to explore opportunities around the globe. Try for remote hirings, remote jobs, because it will help you financially as well as it will be more flexible, and it will be your career growth. You will be learning something new. When you learn something new from around the people, your creativity increases, so it will be helpful for everyone, for you, around people, you, and for the country. So I would recommend, even if people you are not looking for remote jobs, try for remote jobs if you don't have any jobs for freshers or experienced person. So in this video, I will be sharing a list of companies which hires remotely, and you can get to their website. In career section, find the list of job openings which can be relevant to you. And before applying, you have to optimize your social presence, because they will check either you are a person, a legit person or not. So you should have your social presence. First of all, optimize your LinkedIn. You should have a good GitHub where you have some good projects. Also optimize resume and portfolio will be good. Oh, additional point. Okay, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement opportunities, placement material, then you are at right place. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, because you will get everything for your placement preparation for your job search. Okay, you will get the resources like coding questions, DSA, tech resources like AWS, cloud, resume related resources, startup list, funded startup list, and many more. If anything is missing, do let me know in the comment section. I will share with you guys. Also, if you're looking for referral, then you can get a referral for any company for any role. Just visit on TopMate and just paste any of the company's hiring name. It will tell you the people who can refer for this role. For example, I'm looking for job in Amazon for this role. I get their job hiring link and paste it here. It will tell me the people who can refer for this role in this company. So with them you can connect and you can ask for referral, right? Why they will refer you? For that reason, you're gonna connect with them. They will ask questions and how you can be a good fit. You have to prove yourself, so you should have a good optimized resume, social presence that will be a good fit, right? So some people may have their paid services. You can ignore that, or you can afford a little bit, so you can do that. So mostly people have uh, free things, like you can ask them anything for free, and there you can ask for referral. So you have to convince them why. Okay, go check it out. Get referral for any rule for from the employees of these companies. Okay. Now coming back to our original video, in this list you will get almost 500 plus companies which are hiring remotely around the world. So you will get the company name plus with their website and the reason they are located. This list is not curated by me. I'm only sharing to help you guys. So if I have added it, then I have added direct career portal, which can saves your time. So how to use this resource? Having the resource is not uh, uh, mm, helpful. How to use it, that will be helpful. So first of all, you can visit any of the company and there find the career section. If not find the career section, then you can send them cold email while getting their email ID from the contact us page. So basically you will get the, okay, here you have a contact us page. In contact us page you will get their email ID, and from there you can send them cold email, right? So usually you will get the career section in their footer or navbar, where you will get the list of openings which is relevant to you, and you can apply for that role. So these are the open roles. So technical product managers, so these are remote for UK. Similarly, you have to visit every company. For example, you are looking remote in USA, go to their career section, and there find the list of openings for your role. Okay, so they have don't have any hiring, said they don't have any hiring, no issues. There are almost so many companies. You have to, as a job seeking is a little bit hard and time taking. You have to find opportunities. Analytics engineer, electrical installation senior, tech lead, staff. Yes, for remote jobs, mostly opportunities are for experience, but as a fresher, you have to find opportunities. You will get, you have to convince them, you have to send them cold email. You should have something to offer, so you have to be prepared before getting a remote jobs. So this is the one way. The another way is to visit their LinkedIn profile. Like on the LinkedIn profile, you will get the list of openings, and you can ask for referral from the employees of these companies. So basically their LinkedIn profile you can get on their website, or you can just search on LinkedIn. You'll also get that. Okay, so they have Telegram, Twitter. No worries. It has almost more than 500 companies. So finding a relevant opportunity for you will take some time. So here you have their career email ID. You can send them cold email that you are looking for a job. Also, you can go to their LinkedIn, and from here you can get the list of job openings, and from the employees you can ask for referral. Here are the employees list where you can ask referral from them. And before asking referral, you have to be like a well maintained profile, highly optimized, updated resume according to the job description. So go check it out. I will be bringing more videos like this, more resources. So don't forget to subscribe. If this video was helpful, like and comment your thoughts. It will motivate me to bring more resources like this. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.